Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to find Discord servers to join. So this is ideal if you're new to Discord and you're actually looking for servers to join. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight into it. What we're going to do is actually open up an internet browser. And what we're going to do is actually come to a website called discord.org. So this is actually a great website. And basically what people can do is add their Discord servers to this website. So you can find Discord servers and join them. So the best way to actually find this is if you come down to the search box and you can type a category or genre or whatever kind of interest you're into. So for example, if I put gaming, you can see it comes up with some recommendations. And you can see there's currently 155,000 servers in the gaming niche. So what you do is just basically scroll down and you can see there's some tags. For example, these three different servers here have different tags. So this first one here is called capitalism. And you can see it's got the tag Minecraft. So they're going to be talking a lot about Minecraft. And there's a short description of the server down here as well. So it says one of our mods really likes money, give them money. This is a very average hang-up server where you can hook up and hang out. We also have funky bots, blah, blah, blah. And, you can just kind of scroll through and have a look and join some servers. To actually join the server, all you need to do is literally click the join button underneath the server. So, for example, if I wanted to join this first one here, what I would do is just click this join this server button. And then what's going to happen, it's just going to take me straight there. If you're not logged into Discord, it's going to ask you to log in. But if you are logged in, it's just going to come up with this screen here. And all you need to do is go ahead and click this blue Join Capitalism box. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's just going to take a second, and that's actually adding me to the server. You can see it's been added to my server list on the left-hand side. But yeah, that's how you do it. So you can get a bit more specific. So you could put, for example, something like Xbox gaming. So look for gaming servers related to Xbox. And you can see it's come up with different servers now, but it's a bit more specific. This is mainly going to be for people talking about Xbox gaming. You don't just have to do gaming, you could do, for example, other topics. So you could look, for example, YouTubers. This is a good one. So some top YouTubers, they actually have their own Discord servers. And you can actually go through and have a look. You can even type names of YouTubers in and see if they've got servers up. For example, we could do like PEWDIE. So you can see there's his Discord there, and again, to join it, all you need to do is just click the join server down there. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, and if you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.